The Pink Oxheart Tomato is a new variety for me this year. I was interested in it because it sounded neat. It's a pinkish tomato that is supposed to be a vigorous grower, and I heard it tastes great. This plant had a bit of a rough start because the seedling seemed weaker than my other tomato plants, and it was a bit scraggly. But it gained its strength, and it's probably one of my strongest tomato plants right now. But initially, most of the tomatoes on this plant were getting blossom end rot. And there is so much debate on what causes blossom end rot. I have seen people get nasty with each other in discussion boards about what causes it, so I won't get into it in this video. But in my personal experience, certain varieties just tend to be more susceptible to it. But we also had a lot of heat waves that I think made them vulnerable to it as well. Anyways, the plant has been pushing out a decent amount fairly regularly. It is an indeterminate variety, so it's definitely holding on strong for the season. But let's pick one and take it inside and cut it open. This tomato is really pretty. I kind of almost don't even want to cut into it, but I will. So here we go. This is what the inside looks like. It's not super seedy and it's pretty meaty. And as far as flavor, it's slightly tangy, but not too much. But to me, it's also very sweet and juicy. It's got a classic tomato taste, but it does have its own unique flavor to it. So I likely will be growing this one again because it definitely stands out to me and the plant has been pretty productive.